right, y'all, first video of the year. Let's go ahead and celebrate with a little champagne for our curls. Yes, you heard me. This video is all about a champagne rinse. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so to let me know that you're here. I've got a lot of exciting videos for this year and I don't want you to miss out. Now let's go ahead and get started. All you need is champagne, but don't go wasting the good stuff. The cheapest bottle you can find will work perfectly. For convenience, I poured mine in a spray bottle. Now they say that the bubbles in champagne will give your hair body, but most importantly, the reason behind a champagne rinse is that it's said to brighten up any blonde or golden tones you have in your hair. So after washing your hair with shampoo or your favorite co-wash, go ahead and follow with champagne. I focused on my tips, which is where I still have a tiny bit of pintura or highlights left, but then I also went in and sprayed the rest of my hair to give it a touch of body and volume for later. I gently combed out my hair to evenly distribute the champagne and get rid of any knots, and after no more than 5 minutes, I rinsed the bubbly from my hair. Obviously, champagne has alcohol and alcohol can dry out your hair, so always remember to follow with a hydrating conditioner or deep conditioner. This is the best way to ensure that the champagne doesn't dry out your hair, but still gives the curls the benefit of shine and volume. And that's really it. Here are my results. Clearly my hair won't turn blonde, but it did brighten up my tips just a touch, so I can say that I'm satisfied with the results. Do you have a head of lighter curls? Try it out and let me know what you think. But if you're not up for the challenge, I don't blame you. Just grab a glass of bubbly and let's toast to a new year and to healthier curls. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.